have a cozy makeover from the Dollar Tree for you today. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lilac house. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Crystal and I have a cozy fall front porch makeover video for you today. It's been a video that has actually taken a couple weeks of prep work. I made a wreath. I used all items from the Dollar Tree to make the wreath. I will show me making it in the video, and then I made little planters and I'll show that video, and then I bought a front porch doormat. I also have a cozy recipe to share with you. Let's get into this video. Today I'm sharing my easy homemade pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. I grew up making these cookies all of the time and eating them because they're some of my dad's favorite cookies. You will need 1 box of a spice cake mix or a vanilla cake mix. You'll also need a pumpkin pie spice blend seasoning and a 1 12-ounce can of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. You'll also need about 2 cups of chocolate chips, give or take. Today I am actually using a gluten-free cake mix, so I added 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice because the cake mix was vanilla. But if you're using a spice cake mix already, I would only add about 1/2 tablespoon of the pumpkin spice, and you could also omit it too. The recipe will be in the description below. So I'm using a gluten-free cake mix and also dairy-free chocolate chips because I was giving these away to a friend who has food allergies. The consistency when mixing everything should be very thick. In fact, I had Robert come in and help me mix it because my hand got tired. But they're very thick and they are so good. I want to make more. This is such an easy recipe to whip up. I like to have all of the ingredients on hand, especially during the cooler season, just to whip them up whenever I want them. And then you'll add your chocolate chips. And I added about 2 cups at the beginning. I love chocolate when it's with pumpkin. I don't really love pumpkin desserts plain. I need there to be a little chocolate. And I also like it with cream cheese frosting, but I don't have any of that today. So I kept adding more chocolate. So don't judge me. These are also mini chocolate chips, by the way. Yum. One of my favorite fall recipes are my pumpkin chocolate cream cheese bars. I actually made a video about them last year. I'll link it below, but they are so good. So good. Add as much chocolate as you want. You can use semi-sweet, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, whatever you like. And then scoop them out onto a cookie sheet. My batch made about 24 cookies. I used the smaller cookie scoop. Now you'll bake them at 350 for about 12 to 16 minutes. If you are using a gluten-free cake mix, I would recommend baking them a little longer because that mix tends to take longer to bake. These turned out so good. My friend loved them. They were delicious. Let me know if you make them in the comments below. Now you will have to bear with me when I'm making crafts. I am not a crafty person, so I don't know the right terms, but all I knew was that I wanted to make over my front porch. And I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up some fall floral things. I wanted to make little flower arrangements, baskets to go to the side of my doormat, and then a wreath. So I got a couple baskets from the Dollar Tree. I got the metal ones, and then I got one of the foam floral things, and I cut that in half to fit in each basket. Had some fall garland that I kind of filled in the white space with. I think they turned out really cute and they were affordable and I liked making them. So on this night, I turned on a fall Hallmark movie. I like watching the seasonal fall Hallmark movies and the Christmas ones. I mean, I watch Hallmark all the time, to be honest, but I really liked the vibe I was going for. I watched the Roadhouse romance movie. Let me know if you've seen it. It was really cute. I highly recommend it. And so I just sat down and crafted, and it was fun. It's something I don't always do. I'm usually on the computer editing. So I had a floral wreath from the Dollar Tree. It was metal, and then I had these blue flowers, and I wanted to just do like a half wreath arrangement, and I had some green wire tape and some green wire, and it took me a couple tries to get it to look the way I wanted, but I just kind of attached it with the wire and then used the tape to cover up the wire. But I think it turned out really well. I liked adding the red to it to just kind of add a little variety, but it was really frugal. I think it's really cute. And then to cover up the stems, I used my pumpkin bow that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is my front porch, and it needed some love, so I decided to clean it. I cleaned my porch, added my fall wreath, which I think is beautiful, and then I actually bought this Welcome to Our Home mat from Target. I'll link it below. And then I added my little baskets, and I think it turned out really cute. It's fall vibes. It makes me really happy. And it's amazing what like the Dollar Tree and this frugal mat from Target can do to spruce up your front porch. Let me know if you end up making anything this holiday season. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I love how it turned out. It is really difficult for me to jump into fall. I really love summer, and it's hard for me to say goodbye to summer. But how can you not say hello to fall when you're wearing a mustard sweater? That helps a little bit. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that I will see you next time on the Lilac House, and I hope you remember that you are amazing and you are loved. Bye.